Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So it is April, which means I'm doing my monthly favorites for March. And let's jump into these. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment down below of what your monthly favorites are. Let's jump into this. So basically last month I had a lot of the same favorites that I have this month. I'm going to try not to repeat myself, but if I do repeat myself on some products, it's because they're just that darn good. So first things first is, I know a monthly favorite, but I'm not going to show it because it's already put up, is the MAC Blush in Harmony. I have wore the crap out of that thing this month, and I wore the crap out of it last month. I don't have it right here because it's put up, and I wasn't sure if I was going to talk about it or not because of the fact that I wore it so much, but it's still a monthly favorite even though it was featured in last month's monthly favorites. It's just that darn good. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this, which I think was actually in my last month's favorites too, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I love this thing. I've had this in several monthly favorites. This one is the one in Sun Dipped. They actually had discontinued these for a while and then they brought just this one back. And I absolutely love this thing. I love all of the colors. They are all so good, so amazing, great quality. I mean, I'll just show you guys here. Let me dip back into that one. So there they all are. They are beautiful. They are so metallic-y, or I don't want to say metallic-y. They are so shimmery. And I am wearing the bronzed, the top two shades. I'm wearing the bronzed and then what are you called? Summer. So I'm wearing bronzed and summer right now. I don't know if you guys can really see it or not. My lighting is, I don't know. Ever since I threw this background up, my lighting has just been really off, and I don't know what to do to fix that because I have an overhead light on, I have, you know, the window behind me, and I just really don't know what to do to fix it. So if you have any tips or tricks on how to fix the lighting, because I have one of those 3-prong lights, they just reflect me like a disco ball. Like I am not shiny at all, and I feel like in the viewfinder I look shiny. Totally off subject. So moving on, I want to talk about the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've loved this stuff forever, and I'm getting so low on this. And if you guys had watched a couple of my videos back, I am on a current no buy, and for foundation and other products too. If you guys want to go check out that video, you can. I'll have it linked for you. But I am so low on this stuff like this. There's barely any in these two, and I am like holding on to them for dear life because I love this foundation so much. It's like my holy grail foundation. It looks beautiful on my skin no matter what. I am not actually wearing it today, but that's because I am holding on to it instead of just going through it so I can repurchase another bottle. But I have the shade in vanilla, and then I have the shade in nude. So I don't want to go through these because I don't want to have to spend another 40 bucks for another bottle of this and then have to wait a little while and spend another $40 for the other bottle. So yeah, I'm just kind of like holding out on them just because I don't want to buy another one. The other two, really. But I love these. Absolutely beautiful. They are like my holy grail foundation. I love them. They are so good. I'm gonna go ahead and keep moving on because I could talk about that foundation forever. The next product I want to talk about is the beloved Tarte Shape Tape, and I think this was in my last month's favorites too. Oh my goodness, so many repeats. I've loved this stuff. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. I actually need to get light neutral, but I'm just sticking with fair right now because that is part of my no buy. I'm not buying concealers either. So I actually need to give you guys an update on that in another video. I'll just do a whole separate video on that. But a lot of no buying on my account. The next monthly favorite has been the ColourPop brow pencil in Banging Brunette. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about it. I put like a reddish purple color in my hair and it turned red, and now Banging Brunette is about the only brow pencil that I really use because it has a red tint to it. A lot of times when my hair is darker, I will use black or the taupe from ColourPop, but these are my favorite brow pencils. They are so cheap and so affordable, and they last me forever. I can't get enough of these. I just think they're great quality. I need to actually try the other ones that they came out with this, but this is the first ones that they came out with. I don't exactly remember what they're exactly called, but it'll all be linked down below for you guys, everything that I'm talking about, as long as it is still available. The next thing I want to talk about is the Lorac lipstick in Duchess. I'm actually wearing Duchess right now on my lips. This has been a monthly favorite several times over. This is like the perfect little like peachy nude shade, and I'm not really into peachy nudes, which apparently I am a total liar because I have been wearing peachy nudes a lot here lately. But I don't know if it's just like this, my skin tone right now, because it kind of like goes into like this weird light color right before spring, and I've just been loving this color so much here lately, and it just looks so darn good. But I think next month it might be beat out by another lipstick. We will see. The next thing I want to talk about are these two brushes from MODA. This comes in a set of 4. This is the foundation brush, and then this is the concealer, contour, whatever you want to call it, brush. So these are both my favorites. I have not tried the Artiste brushes, but these are amazing quality. I absolutely love these. I would buy a whole nother set of these just for these brushes, and I think they actually sell these individually now, but I think that the set is still more affordable than buying them on their own. I'm not 100% for sure, but I will try to link it down below for you guys. That way you guys can know what's cheaper, what's not, or I'll have already posted it in the video at some point here. So I have 2 monthly favorites that are actually paparazzi, and they are earrings. The first one are these that I'm actually wearing. They are hoops. They're just like so pretty. I love them. They're like a gunmetal with a bunch of like little shiny pieces on them. They're so just cute. I love hoops. So glad they're back in style. Oh, I am so glad. And then my last monthly favorite that is paparazzi, it is earrings also, and it are these guys right here. They're just simple studs, and they are just so pretty. They're like, I love, oh, I just dropped one. But I just love these. They're so pretty. They just, I mean, to me, they look real. I don't really know that much about diamonds. I'm not a big, I have to have the bling kind of person. But when I do, have a earring and like this, I want it to be like big enough to where you can actually see it, and I'll just kind of hold it up here. Like, you can see that if I'm wearing it. I've wore these in several of my videos. If you guys like, go back and check these earrings and then those. I've worn several different videos. I do have a crap ton of paparazzi just like sitting here waiting for me to haul it for you guys. Please let me know if you guys want to see me like trying the pieces on, or what you guys want in that video. Because I don't know, like, if you want me just to have it on and show you, or if you want me to show you up close and then put it on, like, that's gonna be a lot to do. But if you guys really want that, I will do it. And that is the end of this video, guys. That is my monthly favorites. I'm looking around. I don't think I've left anything out. So I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, bye guys.